Hey guys, yes, it's another chicken wing video because y'all already know I eat a lot of chicken wings. Not a lot of chicken wings, child, but I cook chicken wings quite often. Me and the toddler be tearing them up. So I'm going to show you how to make this honey garlic chicken wing recipe. It's a little different from how you would usually make them, but these are my wings in the sink, soaking in the salt, vinegar, and lime juice with the limes. Once they're nice and cleaned up, this is how I season them. I only use this spice right here. Okay, and probably a little salt and pepper. If you don't trust me and you really want to add more seasoning, add it. But, you know, I keep it simple. And plus, I don't want to over-salt my food. I never do. That's why I always tell y'all, add salt and pepper, honey, okay? I added a little more of the spice once I was about to mix it up because, you know, this is a lot of wings and I realized I didn't have, like, enough seasoning in there. But I'm going to mix this up. This was the morning time, and then I'm going to allow it to sit until the evening time when I'm about to cook them. This recipe is so easy and simple, you can't mess it up. Once it was time to cook them, I lined them up into a pan, and I'm going to show you guys how I make the sauce. So for the sauce, I have here 2 tablespoons of butter, real butter. I'm also going to add honey. I have garlic and the Nashville hot seasoning. So this is me putting the honey. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Also remember, like I said, this was a big pack of wings. So you have to really, you know, put enough things for your sauce. So now I'm going to add my garlic. I believe that was a whole entire bulb, honey, okay? The bulb was medium sized. I chopped it all up and put it down in there. Went in there with some Nashville hot for a small kick and quite a bit of flavor. At this point, you also want to add salt and pepper if you prefer it. I did add the smashed seasoning in here while it was simmering for a little bit, which is just salt, pepper, garlic, and I believe it has fennel as well. And that's pretty much it. And I didn't reduce the sauce. It was more so bringing it to a boil so everything could come together and soften the garlic a bit, and that was it. Don't cook this forever because you will burn it. It will taste funny. After the sauce is done, the sauce should be done before the wings are out the oven so that it can sit. So once it sits, it gets a little thicker. And now I'm just going to spoon the sauce all over the wings, and then I'm going to pop it back in the oven. And once I pull it out, I'll show you guys what that looks like. All right, so these are what the wings look like coming straight out the oven, hot off the press, okay? Like I said, this is just a different way to make them. Usually you could fry them, you could cut them into individual pieces. I also have a few recipes actually on honey garlic wings and just wings period. I think I have a playlist. I would add it below if you want to check out some of my other wing recipes. But look how delicious that sauce looks, just going all over the wings. Your family will love these. They're kid friendly, they're not hot, they're not super spicy, and yeah, this is what they look like. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. Please share with your friends, family. If you make them, tag me, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.